What's the meaning of alarmingly? Alarmingly. 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 Alarmingly.
Alarmingly is an adverb that describes something that causes alarm, concern, or fear. It implies a sense of danger or urgency that demands immediate attention. For example, if a news report indicates that crime rates in a particular city have risen alarmingly, it suggests that the situation is very serious and requires urgent action to address it. When we use alarmingly to describe a situation, we are highlighting how worrying or unusual it is, and indicating that it is likely to have negative consequences if left unchecked. It signals a need for increased vigilance and rapid intervention to prevent further escalation. Therefore, it is an important word that can help draw attention to potential problems and encourage prompt action.